Good morning, dear students. I am Randhir Kumar Ranjan, your English teacher. Today, I am going to discuss about transitive verb and intransitive verb. In previous class, I have discussed about verbs, its definition, and today going to discuss about transitive verb and intransitive verb. What is transitive verb? Transitive verbs have a doer and a receiver of the action. They have an object. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जिसको हिंदी में सकर्मक कहते हैं और इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जिसको हिंदी में अकर्मक कहते हैं. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स हैव अ डूअर and a receiver of the action. They have an object. As father drives a car. Father drives a car. Father कार चलाते हैं. Father क्या चलाते हैं? कार चलाते हैं. car word is a object. Car word is an object. Intransitive verbs do not have a receiver of the action. They do not have an object. Example, father drives slowly. In which sentence it becomes an object. This sentence is transitive verbs, and in this sentence do not have an object. It is called intransitive verb. So father drives slowly. Father धीरे धीरे गाड़ी फादर धीरे धीरे चलाते हैं. व्हाट? क्या चलाते हैं? इसमें दिया ही हुआ नहीं है. सो इट इज इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो some examples. Write T for transitive and I for intransitive verb. In this sentence, the man sold the grapes at a high price. The man sold the grapes at a high price. What sold? The man what sold? Grapes. Then grapes is an object. The baby cried loudly. They do not have, it does not have an object. So it is intransitive verb. Object receive the action of the verb in a sentence. What is object? Object receive the action of the verb in a sentence. As I fried the eggs. कर्म किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट किसी भी वर्ब में वाक्य के किसी भी वाक्य में वह एक्शन को रिसीव करता है. जैसे पढ़ता है. क्या पढ़ता है? तो बुक पढ़ता है. तो बुक इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो I fried the eggs. What fried? The eggs. The eggs is an object. Thanks.